I'm WCPO 9 News reporter Sam Harris-Simowitz. ODOT tells me that the Glen Este-Withamsville overpass is only a few months away from being completed.
The snow-covered overpass will soon be the key that unlocks a path through one of Claremont County's busiest areas.
There's no easy way to get around right now.
For about 2 years, residents haven't been able to cross over State Route 32 on Glen Este-Withamsville Road. As crews have been working to build the overpass project, ODOT's website reports that the cost is just over $30 million.
The bridge has been built. We now have to get the approaches done. We do have a little bit of work left to do on some drainage.
ODOT spokesperson Kathleen Fuller tells me that the end is in sight.
So that means we are in the home stretch. We're shooting for a June completion for everything to have it all open to traffic.
The intersection used to have a traffic light stop, but Fuller said the whole area along 32 had to be updated for safety.
With signals, you do see, especially the standard at-grade signals that you have at these intersections, there's always a tendency for more accidents.
This project meant that Glen Este-Withamsville Road would be split for the time being.
We put a post out on Facebook to hear how this construction project has impacted residents in this area. Some say it's been frustrating given how it's impacted their daily commute, while others say they're excited for the opening. And it's not just local residents I heard concerns from, but also workers. An employee at the White Castle that sits at the base of the overpass told me that the construction has been very difficult for their business.
Just down the road from the project is the Cincinnati area staple Jungle Gyms. The International Markets Director of Development told me that while traffic changes may have brought more people to their door, it did also lead to serious backup.
It's busy traffic. It gets very congested.
As Fuller and ODOT ask residents to wait just a bit more.
We're getting very, very close, so we just ask for that continued patience.
In Union Township, Sam Harris-Simowitz, WCPO 9 News.